guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a very special video today because we've actually partnered with Lasfit. They've sent us out a couple of bulbs, and today we're going to be focusing on the LED switchback. So the neat feature about this is it comes with two color outputs in the same bulb, so it's definitely an addition that you really want on your truck. So today we're going to be going over the install and give you a quick little review on it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so now we're getting into the unboxing, and of course, like I said before, we got these from Lasfit, so you're going to get very quality LED bulbs. They're actually one of the leading companies on the market to provide LED bulbs for your vehicles. Inside the package we have the product manual. It had 3 different color options for the stickers, so those are pretty cool additions, especially towards my toolbox. And then of course these LED lights. So here we have the LED bulb. As you can see, it has the amber for the orange looking LED cubes and the yellow, which will output the white. You also have a fan to cool the LED, so it's not overheating or anything. Right as I'm touching it, you can definitely feel like how quality this is. I'm pretty sure it's aluminum based, so it's very durable quality material. Here we have I believe it's a resistor or something to regulate the power off of the LED. As you can see, it's these 5 pins. You're going to match it onto here. So here you just want to connect the prongs, and then you have a sleeve right here that will ensure that it's a good connection and keep it watertight. That's all you need for this install. It's a very simple, very straightforward. Just disconnect your old halogen lights and replace it with these bad boys. I also wanted to mention that these are specifically for the H10 size bulbs. This is perfect for their early models on the 2nd gen Tacomas. It is also plug and play, so it's really straightforward. So let's go ahead and swap out those halogen bulbs and install these LED bulbs. Alright guys, now we're going to get into the installing the LED bulbs. I wanted to mention, please don't mind my dirty truck. No, I haven't washed it. But if you haven't seen my previous videos, it's one of the older videos on how to install the fog light housings. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description on how to install the halogen bulb and the housing. So now we're going to remove this halogen bulb. It's held on by this one clip. You just want to lift it up, free this from the harness like that. And here is a quick comparison between the two bulbs. The halogen, of course, on your left side and the new LED on the right side. And as you can see, they're both H10 bulbs. You can tell by the prongs right here, there's 3 of them. So it is a direct swap for them and the same connection. So before we install it, I did want to mention that if you end up installing the lights and you see that one of the fog light bulbs are not turning on, you just simply want to disconnect this and switch it 180 degrees, and that'll match up the polarity of the positive and the negative. So I know it's pretty straightforward on the halogen bulb, but I did want to mention that for the LED one. Guys, so I have installed one of the LED bulbs, and now I'm going to introduce the other half of the Yoda Duo. So she's gonna go inside and turn on the lights so that you guys can see what the halogen looks like versus the white lights. So just click on the fog light for me, and that's the white and the halogen. And then all you have to do is turn it off and turn it back on again, and it'll switch to the plasma amber looking lights. So there you go. So that's a quick comparison. All right guys, so now that we have the fog lights installed, I wanted to give my honest review. Starting off with the white lights, man, those are perfect. I'm not really a huge fan of the yellow, but if you have the off-road build and you constantly driving at night, and especially in the rainy, foggy, or snowy weather, these yellow lights are perfect for those conditions. So I have to admit that the bulbs itself, they're really durable. They have a very solid feel to them, and just all in all, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like these lights so much, and you get 2 fog lights at once anytime you're driving. So that concludes our video, and then I do want to remind you guys to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel. It'll help us out immensely, and thank you for your support, and I'll catch you on the next video.